Hello guys, my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you quickly how you can use a for each loop in Java. So this is going to be a quick video. So first uh, I'm going to create an array of integers. So I'll call the array as numbers, and I'll create an array which has 1 2 3 4 and 5. So then I'm going to create a for loop. So for in number in numbers. So with this, what you're going to do is you're going to access each number in the numbers array. So then I'm going to print one by one. So the suggestion was the exact thing I needed, so I got it. Then I'm going to run this. So after executing, you can see we have printed 1 2 3 4 and 5 in order. So that's how easily we can use for each loop in Java. So I think this was uh, helpful for you guys. So if so, please consider subscribe and like to this video. So thanks.